Well, this kid was selling this Mercedes for $700 because he said the engine was seized and he couldn't find the title. So after I went and looked at it, I was like, man, I'll give you $300. Then he was like, all right, go ahead, take it. But check this out. After I had already towed the car, he calls back and he's like, hey, I found the title, come get it. And when I got home, I put one of my batteries in it and it started right up. I'm like, this should be a quick flip.
So the signal lights on the car wouldn't work. So we're thinking it's a switch because it's just not working. The tail lights are not working. So now we gotta in order to get this off, we're gonna take the whole steering wheel off. First the airbags. This is a 2003 Mercedes c240. So now we're gonna take this off. Let's see if we can replace it. So we're still trying to get the steering wheel off so we can change this out. There's no way to get this out. I mean, there is a way, but tried all these tools with an impact drill, nothing. So now we're gonna try, kind of like when we pry loose the damn bolt under the car. Give me the jack pipe. Just gonna put this bitch right here. See if that works. Think so? Alright, let's find out. Alright, hold the steering wheel. It's not doing it, huh? So we're just gonna wait till it comes in, the new switch comes in the mail, and then we'll come back to it. Look at this. That's a nice boy. Come here, boy. He's gonna be like, what y'all doing? What's up, babe? You taking a nap? You wanna go for a walk? Let's go. Back to the Mercedes. Now that we got the part in the mail, for Amazon, we're gonna try to put it on. There's a new one. Okay, there it is. Locked into place. Alright, what was the next thing? These little bolts right here, right? so we put the battery on there and kind of lined it up with those little holes right there. Those right there, we're gonna see if that's where it's supposed to be at. All right, look at the tire. It's straight. Let me know when it's straight all the way. That's centered over here.
It's not straight.
Not. How about that?
A little bit more. Alright.
That's good? Yeah, this is way off. Hold that. So that's straight over there, right?
It moved a little bit. Need to go more straight. Alright.
Oh, okay. That's straight right there?
Yeah.
Okay. How about now?
It's still straight.
To tighten that mop up. We're gonna see if this switch works. And it works. It wasn't doing that before. Hey, but you know, most importantly, we need to know if it works in the trunk. So, how do we open the trunk? Push that button. All right, here it goes. What's up? Still nothing. All right, go look at the front. No?
This side is working.
All right.
Blinker.
Okay.
The other blinker is working as well.
All right, but the tail lights are still not working. All right. We're just gonna jump in. Now we're just gonna put it on there. And what did we use for the back? So we can't get the trunk open. We're gonna look for another Mercedes. Kind of looks like the ones we have at the house. Here's a Mercedes. All right, so we're looking for rear passenger door handle and rear tail light mounting brackets. Let's look at this old school car. What kind of car is this? Caprice or something? Convertible? No. Impala. 77. last driven, 2004. Then they just took it to the graveyard. Ain't that some shit? So I thought you'd take old school car to the junkyard. Here's another one. It's an oldie. See what this is. I know you used to have a whole section for old school cars out here. It's a Rambler, 1960. And it don't look too bad up in this. Inside, I mean, not many people ride these though. They don't really restore these. It's solid, yo. Shit. The lines look alright. Come on, bitch. That's a little 6-cylinder. Yo, this car is like complete car, right? It's got the engine and everything. Come on, motherfucker. And it closes just fine. Not a problem at all. I don't know, they might just take this. Just they're not. Let's just keep doing what we came here for. The mission's still the mission. I need the tail lights. Bulb carriers for 2003. Mercedes Benz. Oh, and the rear passenger door handle. I don't know, I think that's the only one they had. What's it doing?
It's eating a caterpillar.
On your shoulder?
Yeah.
What's it doing like with its stinger? Oh shit, took off. Alright, let's get this door handle off. So, what was that video saying? That we have to get in through here? Where's one of those? Grab me one of those. Yeah. Hey, you know how you make extra money out here? Rent out sombreros out there. That's just hot. Ain't no shade nowhere, bro. So that's why the doorknob wouldn't close or open the latch. Turn around, let's look at it. So this is the new one that we took off that junkyard. So I'm gonna try to put it on. Right up here, right up. Let's see. All right, put this up here. Let's get it ready. All right, we'll fix the door issue. Now we'll put it back together. Put the seats back on. I was gonna drive it, but no, just gonna fix it up, sell it, and get another car instead. All right, we got a new gas lid for the Mercedes. It just didn't come with one. Mercedes